What you know about that falling, Babylon, the soul